starts now.
It's just a dead thing you can claim.
Thank you so much, SK.
But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life,
XK sent
has a
Jolly.
spirit,
Jamie
has a
sent Steve B.
name.
Jamie sent Fest Cheers.
They're the only people who
Jamie
are
sent Corky. Sent Hat and Mustache.
people who look
Eileen
and
said
think
quirky.
like you. But if you walk the
Jamie said love you.
footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew.
Jamie sent
Never
KO.
knew. Have you
Jamie sent
ever
hand
heard the
hearts.
wolf cry to the blue corn moon, or asked the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors
Hi, Jinx.
of the wind?
Last 3 minutes. Ria, thank you for the manifesting.
Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what they were. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers.
Thank you so much for the
Here
galaxy.
one and the other are my friends.
Hand hearts from Kay.
And we are all connected to each other. In a circle, in a hoop that never rests. Have you ever heard the wolf
Fireworks
cry
from
to the
Ria.
blue corn moon? Or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountain? Need to paint with all the colors of the wind. Can you paint with all the colors
Hi, Rami.
of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know.
Last 2 minutes.
You'll never heard the wolf cry to the blue corn moon.
Thanks,
For whether
Zen
we
Mystery
are white or
Fireworks.
copper skin, we need to sing with all the voices of the mountain. Need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can only
Boss B,
live and see
Mishka Bear.
all you own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind.
Ayun, palakpakan naman. Manifesting
Thank
from
you
Vin.
so much.
Last 1 minute. Pwede pa kayong humabol ng icons, guys. Pwede
Thank you
pa.
guys. Thank you po.
Hi, Sean! Magandang gabi. Confetti from Vin. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Vin. Last
Thank you,
50
guys. Thank you so
seconds.
much. Thank you.
Ayun,
Pwede pa po
Galaxy
tayo
from
mag-drop.
Bia.
Yes. Thank you po.
Fest
Pwede pa
cheers
humabol.
from
Let's go.
Danny. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys.
White Tiger, ang isang kasibinyo ngayon. Hi, Rayan!
Thank you.
Last 20 seconds para kay Cassie. Pwede na kayong humabol ng icons. Let's go! Last 10 seconds.
Let's go!
Habol na. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much, Cassie B. At ang next naman natin, ayan. Alright. Thank you so much, Cassie. And now, let's have isa sa mga performer ng Talk Season 8, Nika Rivero. The Spotlight. Ay, kakanta siya! Kakanta. Umabot. TikTok shuttle pala para galing kay Ate Rose. Thank you so much, Ate Rose. Nika, pasok na.
Ano ba yan?
Ayan na. Magtatandem naman.
Ate! Hindi ako kakasa.
Tatapatan ba ang Lorna Persola? Tatapatan ba?
Nakakatakot!
Woohoo! Ako rin takot. Your 2
Takot,
minutes will start now.
Okay lang, guys.
Grabe
Walang
yun! Nag-start ang
Walang
time.
sapilitan.
Paos na.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Last.
Thank you.
Mukhang tatapusin na yung laban, oh.
Oh, hindi.
Last 100 seconds.
Thank you, guys.
Sino kaya ang magta-top 1 na naman sa Cluster 2?
Ay.
Ang White Tiger ba? O ang Orange Tiger?
Let's go. Thank you,
Ayun.
guys.
Dalawang tiger ang naglalabanan ngayon.
1 minute.
Pero tandaan nyo, may unicorn pa. Last 75 seconds.
Ay. Let's go.
Last
let's go.
68
Yung mga
seconds.
nag-see you sa akin last week, ha? Tonton, thank you. Ay,
Ew,
ulam.
daw. Last! Ay! Ala! May nag-drop! Ala! May nag-drop!
Thank you, guys.
Ano?
Thank you.
Ala! May Future City! May Manigan pa! At may Rosas! May Future City ulit?
Ilan na?
Last 30 seconds. Kanino mapupunta ang camera? Gusto ba ni Cassie ng camera?
Syempre naman.
Gusto rin ni... Fest... Yes.
Thank you, guys.
Last.
Thank you.
12
Thank you po.
seconds. 9. 6.
Thank you.
Two.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, your time is out. But Cassie, ikaw ay mag... Ikaw ay mag... Wait lang, pag-isipan ko ha.
Ate!
Magte-thank you dance! Si Cassie B! Hit it!
Anong sayaw yan?
Random dance, please.
Random game. Game start. Apatı. Apatı. Apatı.
Grabe yun. So, mukhang hindi nasasayahan si Nika dahil nalamangan. Ready na ba ang harapan ng camera? Nai-stress na. Labanan na to ng White Tiger at ng isang unicorn na stress. Ay,
Hirap na akong kumasa.
okay, let's go. Cassie B, your timer. 2 minutes. Will. 2 minutes. Will. Start. Now.
Grabe, tinapos na agad. Tinapos nyo na!
Grabe yun.
Grabe,
It's between
nalakos.
Lorna and Cassie.
Ala, si Tonton eh.
Season 6 at Season 7? Ay.
Oh, nagtithank you na nga po wala ako.
Eme nyo. Nagte-thank you na raso yun. Emeyo.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po sa mga nagda-drop. Thank you.
Nakakainis.
Thank you po. Nagte-thank you na ako ngayon pala.
Ah.
Si ate, hindi ka naririnig.
Last. 1 minute.
Thank you,
Corn
guys.
flour and fast burst
It's
para sa
okay.
Caspi support.
Thank you.
Last
Thank you
50
po.
seconds. Kung kayo ay nagtataka ba't ganito ang boses, napagod na ang host. Last 45 seconds.
Thank
Last
you, guys.
40 seconds! Ayan na ang intense ng labanan. Tiger at unicorn
Ang
yan,
layo
no?
ko sa kanila talaga.
Last 30 seconds!
Thank you, guys. Sa mga nagdra-drop pa rin. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Last
Thank
30.
you so much po.
Last 20 seconds.
May next time, may next time. Huwag kayong malungkot.
Last
Thank you,
18.
thank you.
Last 10 seconds.
Thank you po. Wala talaga. Walang snipe.
3,
Thank
2,
you.
1.
Thank
Shout out
you,
sa
guys.
2.6K viewers.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you po.
Magte-thank you dance ba ang isang kasi o tuluyan ng hindi magte-thank you dance?
Thank you, everyone.
I'm sorry, Cassie B. You are out. That means
Thank you.
head to head, maglalabanan, magsasampalan.